Bitcoin cloud mining BTC Cloud Miner is an app that has been around for a while and has had a lot of changes, including a recent ownership change. And unfortunately, because the ownership is based in India, they can't give you actual Bitcoin. But because there was this ownership change, I wanted to see if this was worth using. So the first thing we'll do is go into the wallet tab. It's going to make us watch an ad, so I'll skip that. And as you can see, if you scroll down, you can see there's a $5 shopping gift card, and that's 2,000 points. And the next reward is 0.0025 Bitcoin, which is 25,000 points. So that's just a major gap. And as you can see, I'm relatively close to the 2,000 points with my 1,464. So I wanted to see how much you can get a day from this. And what I did a couple of days ago is early in the morning, you can see I have 7.18 terahash. So I waited 24 hours, saw what I earned, and divided that by 7.18. And you can see that I had 1,426. And then the next day you can see I have 1,448, which is a gain of about 22. So take 22, divide that by 7.18, and you're looking at something close to 3 points for 1 terahash every 24 hours. And I wanted to show you really the only way to get terahash on this. You can go to claim boost, you'll get a little bit, you'll get a spin boost, and it just gives you a little bit. You can see I have 10 terahash. And it's from this zigzag game. And I have a demonstration of how I played it earlier. I'm pretty decent at this kind of stuff, but I wanted to show you just how the levels go up and how it goes faster. So let me give you a little demonstration right now. So when you get into it, it's gonna make you watch an ad. But the first thing you're gonna do is click Start Challenge. And it's as easy as every time you click, it's gonna go left and right. And as you'll see, the timer will speed up. And I just skipped ahead a bit. So you can see at this point how fast it's going. I'm pretty good at this kind of stuff, but it does get pretty intense towards the end, as you'll see. I'm pretty sure I get around 5, so I think I'm going to be dead pretty soon here. But once you get to these little zigzags right there, it gets pretty tough. And I'm pretty sure this is where it goes. So you can see, just from doing this though, I'm at 5.93. And if you watch another ad, you can actually get another multiplier. I think I got 44%. And as you can see, just for watching 2 ads, I had 8.54 terahash per second. And now this won't stack. You can't just keep doing it. So once you do it, you have to wait the full 24 hours until you can do it again to gain this actual terahash. Watching all 75 ads won't get you to 8.54 terahash per second. So my plan is at this point is to keep running the zigzag game. I have 10 terahash per second, so I should be earning about 30 points per day. And with already the over 1,400 points I have, I should be able to do this within 20 days. And it's really just to see with the new ownership if it actually pays out, because we don't know yet. I did send an email to ownership. We had a small conversation, but when I offered him to make a Discord channel or to even come into mine so people could contact him directly, he never got back to me. And honestly, if you're an app creator, you would think you would want to be able to be reached out as easily as possible. So I'm not sure how much I can trust this guy. But when I do reach the 2,000 points, I'll try to do the withdrawal, see if it works, and I'll give you an update as soon as I can. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with a friend. I do my best to find the best Bitcoin and crypto and otherwise money-making apps and break them down as well as I can. And if you want a free and easy way to support the channel, please use my invite code that you see on the screen. It's also linked in the description. And if you feel like you get value from these videos, I have memberships for 99 cents a month. You'll get these videos out a little earlier. I don't take any money or any sponsorships from any of these cloud mining apps to make sure these videos are completely unbiased. So when you do purchase a membership, it does really mean a lot to me and helps the channel a ton. And a big shout out to my new member, Aaron Watt. You've been in my Discord for a long time and I appreciate you, buddy. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.